Hello you all, what is up? I hope you are doing good and great. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry. So if you are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you do this for me. So by seeing the title, I think you have already guessed what the video is about. So the video is about how to get a perfect base for beginners. We need a perfect base, right? Whenever you go at a party, event, weddings, like wherever, we need a perfect and a flawless base. But अभी तो कुछ allowed नहीं है as because of corona, everything is closed. So but in future, of course सब कुछ खुलेगा, finger crossed, and we will go for a wedding and event, parties, hopefully. So yep, let's get started with today's video. So firstly what I'm gonna do is मुझे एकदम perfect और flawless base चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने face को exfoliate करूँगी. So the scrub I'm gonna use right now is this Blue Nectar face scrub. Of course I'm gonna link all the product details on my description box so that you can go and check out there. And of course you can use any face scrub, whatever suits you, whatever you are using, like from a months, past months, you know, whatever. If आप बहुत पहले से यूज़ कर रहे हो कोई स्क्रब को, then you can go for it. Otherwise if you are looking for a new scrub, I would recommend this. Okay, so मैं एक चीज़ पहले ही क्लियर कर देना चाहती हूँ कि जो मैं फेस स्क्रब यूज़ करती हूँ वो ज़रूरी नहीं आपको भी सूट हो, because we all have different skin types. So I would recommend that you should check it out first what scrubs are going to your face. You should always go for a patch test before you use any of the products. So why to use scrub first? Of course it's gonna exfoliate our face. जो भी हमारे dirts होंगे face पे वो सब remove हो जाएंगे and it will give a nice glow to our face. So yep, I would recommend this scrub using first. You should always keep one thing in mind that जब भी आप कोई scrub use करते हैं तो उसके पहले आपको थोड़ा सा अपना face wet करना है water से, और you can take a towel and you can take a wet towel so that you can just wet your face with that towel. You can do that thing also. So if you can see, मैंने अपने face को wet कर दिया. Now I'm gonna apply this scrub. Can you see this? मैंने almost ख़त्म कर दिया. So now I'm gonna exfoliate my face. Okay, so if you can see, I am done with my scrubbing part. अभी मैं जाऊँगी अपने face को wash करूँगी and then I'll be just right back in a seconds. Okay, so I'm right back. मैंने अपना face wash कर लिया है, if you can see, with a normal water, and this is how it look like. I think अच्छा. Okay, so now I'm gonna proceed with the moisturizer. So it's a Pond's moisturizer. Okay, so it's a gel-based moisturizer. If you have a oily skin type, it would work a lot for you. But like सब skin type पे जाता है. So I love this moisturizer. I have a combination skin type, but it really works great for me. So yeah. Okay, so done with the moisturizer. Now I'm gonna apply a serum by just waiting for a seconds. थोड़ी सी seconds में रुक जाऊंगी and then I'm gonna apply this serum. It's a Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum from Good Vibes, and yeah. So if you guys are new to the makeup, and never ever apply foundation or concealer directly to your face, because it's just gonna look so much cakey and ashy if you apply directly concealer and foundation to your face. So just moisturize your face and you know, do the essential things, whatever you need, just do that, because it's compulsory, I can say, whenever you do your makeup. So yeah, हम already बहुत देर रुक चुके हैं. Now I'm gonna apply serum. I'm just gonna take 2 to 3 drops and that's it. And then I'm gonna apply it. Just massage it on your fingertips to warm it up, and then just gently massage it all over your face like this, the way I'm doing. And you guys keep one thing in mind that जब भी आप if बाहर जा रहे हो, then you should apply a sunscreen. It's must. Okay, so for the foundation, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. One more thing, never ever take so much foundation on your hand, so that many people think that applying a lot of foundation will maybe make their face so much glowy and dewy, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. इससे हमारा face बहुत ही ज़्यादा cakey and ashy लगेगा. Just थोड़ा सा ही लो and then just apply it. And if आपको लगे कि ये कम है, then you can take it more. But yeah. Okay, so why beauty blender is a good for our makeup and our base? I'll tell you. Brush से like brushes के stroke रह जाते हैं whenever we've just blended with the brush. But with beauty blender कोई भी stroke and कोई भी निशान नहीं रहता है अपने face पे. We can just blend it like this, and of course it's just gonna give a nice flawless base. Just always dab and dab the way I'm doing, because just spreading the blender like this, इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, हमारा face का कोई बेस ही नहीं आएगा. So just always dab it the way I am doing. कभी भी अपने फाउंडेशन को ब्लेंड डाउनवर्ड्स की तरफ मत करना, because blending decides the whole face look. So just blend it towards the upward to lift your face up the way I am doing. You can see we are done with the foundation. Now I'm gonna proceed with the concealer. For the concealer I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty concealer, and if you can see मैंने इसको पूरा ख़त्म कर दिया है. I'm just at the end, and then I'm gonna blend it again with the same blender. So blend until you are not satisfied with the blending part, because blending is most important thing in makeup. You do whatever, like you apply eyeshadow, you apply foundation, concealer, whatnot. The blending is really important. Okay, so done with the concealer. If you can see, so एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी, makeup is like a thing that you should do with your calm mind. जब तक हम अच्छे से उसको लाइक पोलाइटली अच्छे से नहीं करेंगे मेकअप को, तब तक इट विल नॉट लुक गुड ऑन योर फेस. दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज मैं कितने बार मुझे मतलब बहुत बार मुझे मन नहीं होता है कि मेकअप मैं करूँ उठूँ, बट करना पड़ता है मुझे, बिकॉज मुझे वीडियोज़ एंड ऑल बनाने होते हैं. सो मेकअप इज़ द थिंग दैट यू शुड डू विद ऑल लव. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू से. सो इफ़ यू कैन सी आवर बेस इज़ लुकिंग क्वाइट गुड. नाउ द लास्ट step for the perfect base is I'm just gonna set my whole face with the compact, but I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. सबसे पहले तो ये मैं अपने अंडर आइज पे लगाऊंगी to set my under eye. And you can also set your whole face with the compact, and if you can see, the base is really looking good. I am liking it. So this is my close-up look of my base. It's looking literally glowy and subtle, so I am liking it, and I hope you guys also enjoyed it. So I have done my full face makeup for another shoot, and topic was already for the perfect base, जो मैंने आपको बता दिया है. And full face makeup बताऊंगी तो कोई मतलब नहीं बनेगा पूरे वीडियो का. So that is why I have not shown my full face makeup, that how I achieved this look. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends, families and loved ones. And if आपने ये वीडियो को enjoy किया and सच में आपको ये थोड़ा सा helpful लगा हो, तो please hit the like button. So yep, that is it. I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Until then, bye, take care.